Hey guys, it's Gunsmoke here, and I'm just playing some Dirt still. I'm really liking this game. See, this is what I was talking about, like with the cross-track thing. I don't know how I'm gonna do, but last time I played this, I did pretty good. This time my little brother's here. He's not gonna talk during this match, but next match he will talk a lot. I don't know what he's gonna talk about. Maybe like any Call of Duty and maybe Mortal Kombat, because I might do that, like play that with friends, and then yeah. I'm stuck on 2% about that like Shao Kahn guy or whatever, like the big dude, like the main protagonist or the antagonist. Antagonist, yeah, that's what it is. He's the main antagonist. I'm gonna be playing this game with some of my friends too, and then Call of Duty. I don't know. What do you mean, I don't know, Nate? You are going to. Alright, so. Man, I'm going so fast. We had our first snowstorm, like, last week. Because I'm going to be posting this, like, a week later or something. Here's a jump, boys. Woohoo! Gotta keep those nice for the fans. And you guys. I don't know if you guys are like fans or not, but like, oh man, no, stop. Okay, there we go. There we go. Man. What I like about this game is like, when you drive in snow, the snow goes on your screen. Like, I don't like it, but I do like it at the exact same time. So, yep. 2 minutes and 1 second. I will be sort of like right back to you guys, but that'll be, the next video will come tomorrow. Alright, see you guys later. See ya.